Anyway, you guys, what's up, Panton Squad? It's your boy Don.
Yeah.
And we have like this rainy weather going on, y'all. Oh look, we can see DJ and Mommy over there. Mommy's cooking, y'all. You want to go over there, girlie?
Yeah.
All right, so we about to go to the patio real quick. Start this vlog thing off. But hold on, girlie, come over here. Look over here. All right, guys. So. Girly with these musically dances. But guys, it was like raining so bad earlier and it was windy, like our floats was like blowing away. I had, except for the unicorn, I had to take those away. But anyways, guys, look how it is outside, man. This girl over here doing flips. I don't know if y'all live in Florida, man. Most of y'all, if y'all do, it's like this rainy weather. It's been like this all week. Our lake is like real full, y'all. Like it's usually lower, but it's real full. Even our pool got full. So I'm like nervous, man. I'm hoping it don't rain no more. But anyways, let's go check on what they cooking, girl. You know what they cooking?
Yes.
What they cooking? Cause I can smell it from out here, bro. Yeah. I smell it from out here. Let's go check on the over here. Let's go this way, guys. Let's see what they cooking. They got the robe on.
Hey guys.
What's up, big boy?
Hey. I'm gonna go on the trampoline.
You going on a trampoline? Mm-hmm. It's kind of scary out there.
No, it's not.
All right, so they left us. Huh? The food's ready?
Yeah.
What you cooked?
Chicken.
Show it off. Show it off.
So.
Boy, hungry, y'all.
Chicken was real good. I used some real good seasoning, some veggies with some yellow rice. So yeah, that's what we're having for dinner. Panton gang. Are you ready to eat?
Oh, yeah, I'm starving. Kids went out there to play the other day. But I'm going to talk to them about the big pint.
Okay, let's see the kids. You guys, I scared y'all. It's dinner time.
No.
It's dinner time. Y'all need to come eat. You guys, it's been raining every day, and like the lake just been getting taller and taller. So much water.
Like the
Yeah,
it looks like
yeah. Yeah, our pool, the water level was real low, but since it's been raining, it's been coming up. Y'all come in for dinner right now. Do y'all ever have to go through that with y'all kids? I'm telling them to come in. All right, you guys, so we about to eat dinner or whatever, so we'll talk to y'all later.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat dinner, and this is what
This rice is hot. Why am I eating my fork?
look at the flowers my cousin got me for Mother's Day when she came. It's hot. DJ don't like hot food. Wait, let it cool down. Let it cool down. Well, come sit over here. Come sit over here, DJ.
That's why you should move, because DJ was in there first.
No, I put my plate down here.
I can't even see better because of the flowers. But yeah, we're gonna eat dinner.
Food is real good, thank you.
Yeah, it's really thanks.
You like it, DJ?
Yeah. I heard yellow rice. Guys, yellow rice, it tastes so good.
Yeah, DJ love yellow rice.
Yellow, not yellow.
Poor bye. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna eat. We'll talk to y'all later.
What up, Panton gang, man? We checking in today, man. It's been a rainy day today. We got some company here. Snowy got some company. Hey, put her down, baby. Let her walk.
She not gonna do it.
Yes, she will.
So Bean Squad brought their dog over, Cloud. We met him. We're gonna introduce Snowy and
Let's see.
Cloud. Let's see.
Y'all let us know what y'all think, how that reaction is gonna be real quick. Where he at? So he done took over the room. There he go. Come in here. Come. Nope, 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 nope. Hey, this way. Okay. All right. What's up, Cloud?
What's up, Cloud?
He's sniffing me.
Snowy, look at Cloud. Meet Cloud.
Oh, he hype. He hype.
I don't know if I should put her down. She's scared. Oh my gosh, she's scared, babe. She's scared.
Put her down.
Let me record, because I don't want, I'm scared.
He like following your whole step.
I'm scared, because I don't want her, oh yeah. Snowy's scared, y'all. Snowy's not used to being around other dogs.
Right,
Cloud sniffing me. I put her down. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Snowy's scared. Snowy's scared. Oh my gosh. Snowy did not want to be friends. Snowy. No. Oh my gosh. Snowy, calm down, baby. Calm down.
Snowy, it's okay.
Snowy, it's okay. Oh my gosh, she's running. Oh, she's running so fast.
Alright, Snowy, alright.
Yeah, why do you think Snowy's running? Okay, Snowy's a girl and Cloud is a boy. Cloud is trying to say hi, Snowy. He just wants to say hi. He just wants to say hi, baby.
He like trying to bite her in the neck. I don't know if that's a friendly hi.
Oh my god, Snowy is not having it. Alright, babe, pick her up. Pick her up. Okay. Yeah, look at Cloud. He's so cute. Say hi, Cloudy. But Snowy is not having it. Snowy is like, pick me up. Snowy is not having it. It's okay, Snowy. Alright. We gonna hold you.
Bro, we gonna let her come out. Alright, Cloud, you done took over the room, bro. You done took it over.
You want...
they still scary?
Yeah. Say hello to Eva.
I'm so surprised at how Snowy is scared of this boy.
I know.
He's 1-year-old.
Snowy was not having it at all.
Oh, so you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Bro, was it the mystery slime that made out there destruction? Slime destruction?
I don't know what they was doing. Y'all, let me show y'all what Soraya and her friend did. Oh, they cleaned some of it up, but look at outside. They made, what is this?
A slime factory.
So this is Yaya's friend from school, and they've been making slime. Look at out here. Look at this. Look at
I
this.
went inside and not cleaning this.
You say you're not cleaning this up? You made a mess, girl.
We did it like at around 10 o'clock. So
We got Super Saya.
we're not going
Hey,
outside.
close the door.
Say hi, Saya.
Hi.
Babe,
Yeah.
Billy just broke his back.
Oh, for real? Say what's up to Billy.
You can't try to break me over there in that trampoline.
For real? Oh, Haley wanna come in. So yeah, Yaya got her hair done. Let me show y'all her hair. What happened to all the gold stuff that was in your hair?
I ate them.
You ate them?
No, I'm just kidding, Mommy.
So Yaya got her hair done, but she done messed it up in one day. Let me see. Y'all comment down below if y'all like Yaya hair, even though she like messed it up a little bit. But it's still cute.
Fortnite in Cloud room.
Oh, you gonna go play Fortnite? These kids are obsessed with Fortnite.
Oh, no,
Okay. So you guys, Yaya's teaching Haley how to ride her hoverboard.
Stop, I feel like I'm gonna... Oh, the pizza's already not
Okay. Haley, you okay?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm going fast.
Okay, I don't want Haley to fall. Okay, I think our pizza's here. I'm gonna check on the pizza. Is the pizza here?
Yeah.
Okay, so our pizza's here. We just ordered pizza. Yeah.
Ew, I don't want pizza.
Pizza brew is so good.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Go wash your hands.
Let me show y'all the pizza we got. It's good. So this is cheese
I think everything. Ooh.
Go wash your hands.
and
I only want bread, so I can eat.
what flavor is this? She forgot our
I
wings.
want cheese.
This another cheese.
Cheese pizza. I love cheese pizza.
I know, that's all you eat, Saya. And then this one, what is this? Why can I open this? This is pepperoni. This pizza will be so good, y'all. You want cheese, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna eat pizza.
Pizza, party.
Look at DJ's cereal that he wasted, y'all. I swear, kids just be wasting stuff.
All right, gang, we got some more people here. Miss Alani in the building. My boy Jimbo over there getting it down, crank with it. Hey.
We here.
Yeah, man.
In the building, man. We got Panton squad out to me. AJ Mall back. Once again, stepping up. Listen, you did. You feel me?
We got Nana. What's up, Nana?
Nana Boo Boo. Say hi to the vlog.
What it do? Hey. They already see you super side, but we still saying what's up, boy. And we got Amanda over there.
How you let DJ know how to swim for you? Huh? I'm scared of water. Me too. I understand.
Olivia, what's up, Olivia?
Know how to swim before me. Say what's up to.
Panton squad over here. What's up, man? You there?
It's out. I feel like they haven't seen each other forever.
So we about to have a good time. You did. We about to vibe out, man. Look at the besties over there.
She got bigger.
Yeah, she got big.
I want to pick her up, but you'll growl.
She's not gonna growl. What's up, Snowy? Snowy, you want her to pick you up? Go ahead, you can pick her up. Sit, sit. Alright, go ahead and get her.
See?
Yeah, alright, watch this.
She wants a tummy rub. She's,
Alright, there you go.
fluffy. She got lighter though.
She got lighter or bigger?
She got light but big.
What's up, big boy?
Hey!
Alright, we about to have some fun, man. We'll catch up with y'all in a bit.
What it, AJ Mom? It's your boy Jimbo Spike. What's good?
What's poppin'?
What?
What you say, Yaya?
Lil Tay, what you said? Flex, Lil Tay? What?
If y'all didn't see that prank, y'all gotta go check that out.
Hold on, I'm about to help you out right quick.
Help ya, okay.
Go ahead, Dexter.
Lil Tay.
Make it rain.
Yo, Fletcher. Hey, that was it.
Yeah, Little Tay 2.0. Look at this.
What y'all doing?
Picking up all this money. All this money,
I
y'all.
like when you act like this, just to let you know.
That's her money. Yeah, you don't like it when she
Yeah, DJ. That's Alani money.
She got $20.
I never have money that
Look, now I take your money. DJ threw it.
You got Panton squad, man. We live over here. Oh, hold on. What? Lil Tay back again. Lil Tay.
Oh my God.
Put my coins right here.
So there's dollars under the couch. The kids are going crazy over these dollars, y'all. Like, they really balling. They did a Little Tay 2.0. Look at Nana with all her money. Look at this. Nana is not playing. Look at DJ. Look at Alani. Oh, Alani got $2. Look how much DJ got. DJ, how much you got? A lot.
What y'all gonna do with that money, DJ? What you gonna do with it?
What you gonna buy?
They don't know.
They don't know. What you buying?
Buy loads of toys.
A lot of toys?
That's all I got.
Look at this.
That's all they know, toys.
This is a trap house, y'all. I'm just playing.
Amanda, this is all of mine.
It's all yours?
Okay, I'm gonna split it equally. Is that fine?
Okay, Amanda's gonna split it equally. There's more money, y'all. More money. Snowy just looking at us like we crazy, y'all. Look at her. Still picking up money.
I opened my gallery so many damn times to drink that he was small too.
Dang, someone just cashed out over here, y'all.
I gotta split it equally.
hoodie for these kids. Cause
Look at that, man.
She got money.
Alright, we about to do a challenge, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all check that challenge out if y'all don't see it yet. And we about to have some fun. You ready, babe?
We're about to dance.
Kids over here making some noise. Like, whoa, 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 whoa. Hi. Why are we hiding? Where we go? Oh, okay. Y'all doing hide and seek. Okay. Hey, y'all eating sneaking out some wings?
Yeah.
Alright, we about to see y'all in the pit, man.
Alani got her money. She ain't waste no time. She put it in her purse. Alani balling over there. She took her money, went straight to her purse.
So all y'all got some money now, right?
Daddy, we can do the $20.
So who buying dinner tonight? Dang, quietness.
No, Daddy, we can do the $20 challenge at the dollar store with all of us.
Y'all comment down below if y'all want to see that challenge. So Saya got some money, Livia got some money. You got your money, Nana? Oh, Yaya had dropped some chicken.
Good morning, Panton gang. It's the next morning. Yaya's getting ready to go to school. I gotta lay your edges. She's eating DJ's apples. I got DJ some apples, you guys. DJ's right here in my bed. He's not feeling good at all, you guys. He woke up. He's not going to school. You okay, baby? You okay? So I'm letting him stay home so he can rest a little bit. We're gonna see if he feels any better. If he doesn't get better, then I'm gonna take him to the doctor. But I gave him some medicine, but he just looks so sad. I hate seeing him like that. I think what got him sick is the weather. The weather has been like crazy. It's been raining. You okay, baby? I'm so sorry. I love you, okay?
I love you too.
Oh, you guys, he's such a sweetheart. So you guys, make sure you say get better to DJ in the comments. We appreciate that. But yeah, DJ's in my bed, you guys. DJ, I got the apples for you. You want to eat a couple? Take a few, okay?
Okay.
And yeah, you're gonna go to school by yourself today. Well, Daddy's gonna take you, but you okay with not having DJ with you? I love you, okay? I hope you have a great day.
I love you too.
Yeah, has one gold thing left in her hair. She just got her hair done. But yeah, you guys, so it's really early. Just wanted to close out the vlog, let you know what's going on with us. We hope everyone has a good day, and we love you, Panton gang. Yeah, really? Really? Okay, you guys, we'll talk to y'all later. Hopefully DJ gets better.
Not pink.
Like how we live so good, but ain't hit a million. Nigga, we been had the funds, you just on my minions. I had the vision, dedication, we just keep on grinding. Left all the fakes and the snakes, I'm never not smiling. Oh yeah, I heard you talking about me now. It's cause I'm even now, cause I'm in a beamer now. Serving all my haters now. You see me in the screen, but you can't even see me now. We winning with the beam, I know you see what's going down.